Hi TMI, Father Scott Brown here. It is the second day of school. It's Friday. Yesterday our students returned. They got to walk their schedule. I'm standing here with Isaac Banks, our Director of Facilities, in front of one of the temporary learning spaces. It was a great day. Energy is high. You're going to see some drone footage in a minute, filmed by Mr. Banks, that shows you some of the building, but I want him to tell you what you're going to see in construction over the next 30 to 60 days. Isaac, what do they have to look forward to?
The completion of Frost. The Frost Athletic Center, lower level, core of cadets is going to be complete within the next couple of weeks. We're super excited about that space. It's what we've all been hoping for a very long time. You're also going to see the foundation for Coates Hall being erected with structural steel. You're going to see the bones of a building coming up, and we're super excited about getting the dots connected there.
It's going to be great. Harthan Hall was taken down. Now it's coming back together again. New Coates edition added on. Lots of transition happening right before our students' eyes. It's a great day. Classes start on Monday. We'll see you soon. Go Panthers.
Go Panthers.